Mirka, improving your finish together. A product is often judged by its surface, a unique piece of furniture, the shining paint of a new car, or the immaculate finishing of a crankshaft surface. Even the slightest defect can ruin the magical sheen of perfection. That is why we at Mirka are dedicated to creating and designing surface finishing strategies that allow our customers to reach that desired quality. We help them improve their finishing processes in order to reach their goal of flawlessness. Our sales team is your guide to an impeccable solution. Sometimes figuring out the best combination of tools, workflows, and materials is not straightforward. In trickier cases, our application development team helps you find the answer. We start from the finish. First, we go through the requirements for the perfect outcome together with you. After that, we begin a testing phase to find the ideal way to solve the problem. Then, the procedure is tested in actual conditions before applying it to your production line. Finally, we provide the necessary documentation and training so you can start enjoying the benefits, be it lower costs, a faster process, happier and healthier employees, you name it. Mirka has been dedicated to the finish for decades. We work closely with our customers to guarantee the best results for your final product. What's more, Mirka people are located all around the globe, so let us know how we can help you.